right, guys, welcome into Studio 3. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. Merriman always likes these because we just get to play with toys all day long. But we have Noah Gragson here, and we've already unboxed it because we thought it would take too long. So this is the new Adventure Force Crash Racers, which is a mouthful and really hard to say, but it's fun. Noah, tell us about it.
Well, I have this set up on my coffee table at home.
Not surprised.
It's really fun to be able to play with them. You can race them, crash them, repair them, race them again. They're a lot of fun. And with this figure-8 track, there's some big crashes that go down. So
they come separated, and you just put them all together.
Yep.
Put the track together?
Come together.
So you can make your track however, whatever layout you want it to, right?
Well, it's just a figure-8, but
that's all you can do with it?
Yeah, that's all you can do.
Well,
anyways.
That one looks a little bit different than ours. Okay,
what? That's a figure-8.
That looks different than ours. That's a little tighter of a turn.
It's called Dimension.
Anyways, it comes with a sticker packet. I put some stickers on like a lightning bolt. The Sunoco official fuel of NASCAR. You got your flash charger technology that you get to charge the cars up, which gets your wheels spinning. Pun.
Towing company, auto repair, which I feel like y'all are gonna need.
You want to charge yours up?
You charge them up.
We're gonna watch them one by one first. We gotta qualify.
Hot laps.
Hot laps.
No!
You didn't make it very far.
That's pretty fast. He's running the top side. It's like Homestead.
So they come with different colors on the cars, right? So you can take
white and blue.
Like you can take your blue hood off and put it on the white car.
Good.
This is like a hamster.
All right, my turn.
Oh!
All right, final stage. And go.
Don't lose it. We're going to restart.
Did you just win?
All right, final stage, up now. Oh, shoot.
All right, so get to Walmart, buy these. Clearly they're fun for all ages.
Oh!
We're going to wrap it up before we have any injuries on track here. Crash Racers, Adventure
Available
Force.
at Walmart
Go get them.
and Walmart.com. Make sure to get it before the holiday season.